Shut your pipe hole, Missy!
All right, look, Matt, take it easy.
You're pretty funny. Let me rephrase that. That's funny, and you're purty. From what I've heard, you're using your paper not for writing, but for rolling doobies.
I thought you were trying to lose weight.
Lay off me, I'm starving. Diet starts Monday.
Hoagies and grinders, hoagies and grinders. Navy beans, navy beans, navy beans, navy beans. Hoagies and grinders.
Everybody needs a second chance. Oh, you want a piece of my heart?